folks, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the R&A World Golf Museum in St Augustine. I understand that R&A means Royal and Ancient, but don't quote me on that, could be wrong, but I think that's what it means, the Royal and Ancient game of golf. So the costs, I wrote it down so I don't get it wrong, I got it from the website. For tickets, it's for an adult from April to October, it's £15. From November to March, it's £12. Seniors aged 60 plus, it's £10. Students get in free, and children aged 16 and under are free. During April and through April to October, it's open Monday through Sunday 9 AM to 5 PM. And November to March, it's open Monday through Sunday, 10 AM to 4 PM. The museum is a 5-minute walk from the town centre and is situated directly across from the Royal and Ancient Clubhouse. There's a large car park right next door on the Bruce Embankment. It is free if you park there, and I had to write this down so I didn't forget, from November to March. So if you're there in the winter months, it's free to park, which is great. If you are there from April to October, not so great, you have to pay. Okay, that's fair enough. But it's pay and display. If you don't have any coins, and I know I don't pronounce that right, I'm from the West Country, what can I say? If you don't have any coins, then I just say buyer beware, because you have to use the PayGo app to pay. Now, that wasn't an easy experience for us. First of all, you have to download the app, and we had hardly any signal on our phone, so it took like forever to get the app to download. Once we got it down to download, it didn't want to work. We then had called the number that's on the side of the pay and display box. When you call that number, you then are directed to call another number, which we then had to do, and then we had to pay via our credit card via the phone, which was not an easy experience. It took us about 20 minutes. There was someone else at the very same time experiencing the same thing as us, and in the end they just gave up and left. So just something to beware, that if you are there during the summer months, please take coins, or maybe have that PayGo app already downloaded onto your phone. Otherwise, the museum is really lovely, very small. I'm not a golf enthusiast at all, but I did enjoy it. There's a lot of history in there. So if you are into golf or just want to learn a little bit about the history of golf, pop in there. It's well worth a visit. And thanks for watching, and if you've got any comments, please post them in the comment section below, and I'll now introduce you to the museum. This is the original Claret Jug. It's usually housed in the clubhouse, however they're having some work done there, so it's now temporarily in the museum, and normally there is a copy here. It was first awarded to Tom Kidd at the first Open held at St Andrews in 1873. You probably can't tell, but in 2020 there is no winner for this, and it actually says that there was no tournament due to a global pandemic. I am not a golf fan. I don't really watch it on TV. We probably used to. My dad used to watch it, and my husband watches it sometimes, and I really wasn't that keen on coming in here. However, it's actually well worth a visit, because I do love history, and there's a lot of history in here, and seeing the Claret Jug, which even I know about, is pretty cool. So yeah, it's not very big. It's not a big museum, but there's a lot crammed in here, and if you are a golf lover, and you're coming this way, you've got to come in and see it. The formation of the Ladies Golf Union in April 1893 marked a turning point in women's golf. It aimed to promote and support the women's game, to host a national championship and establish a uniform handicapping system. Many doubted it could be achieved, but led by a group of determined women, it's achieved its goals in just a few years. For over a century, the LGU organised prestigious championships and international matches before merging with the R&A in 2017. So there you go, Horace Hutchinson. The first Ladies' Championship wasn't the last. There are lots of interactive things you can do in here. The gorse bushes on your course have grown out of control. Do you A, clear all of them because they're a nuisance, or B, clear some of them leaving a space for wildlife? Let's go for B. I got that correct. The correct answer is B.